somebody on 2019. It is in the particular date or something. I was taken to Kedoboda, Amoka, Nanko na Nabo. I stayed in that Ogo's place for a month plus, no headway. And now, as when I went another place, the na College Road, Nambudi, we went there. I hired their house, another one there, still nowhere. So it was in that one. I for some time. I said, okay, the woman was at the Oku. See that Anga go do. Now can you check where me kwa lab as an extra? Can you check extra? Come on, go quad. Say, the extra. The extra no work. No extra sim. Na me was not back. Na the man na back on maybe. No one nangi one way. Guy India. Come on na game with ya. I thought one sissy. And when me go in na yard. Asem biaga India. Aman kan si chaka ngaba di India. Ike kurota wom mfodo utem. Ndebe na so fokoro everything. I will now came back to house. It was when I came back to house. Ka one lady late Chinenye. I didn't me internet much that time. But it was this lady that said Egbeigwe, you will life email. Give me again oko. Gwacha osimo okay no wonye nga like ka ekpoba. No nya get help gi. Opota na platform people gi nyege go gi ju eme operation a. Sako do nyosimo oge chinja ka okeke. Onyezie mu number Ogechi and one chat Ogechi. Ogechi chat am was him na how are you? If the ladies were reply them, they very force them we say hope them. That lady helped me a lot. She never collected 1 naira from me. She just did everything. Ego na bia, osin bia na account m. Ose account kon dey post. Every ego ni no resume account m. Send the kentie data osim no enwem data. She's living in Chicago, na US. Eba this woman for ya ara na apu ebe na choko ore ezere mego ka m gaba obodo ibeje me operation. Yes, that was the lady that made people to know that now with a problem. That time, I got 2 years. Yes, she was the one who let everybody in this life know that name was him because he didn't know name. Now after na the little women after na my own page. And when it was the lady that made people to see me. So she